Hi! Today we do together this twist and I show you how I do it step by step. So for the twist we twist 2 strands around each other and add new hair so it stays right at the hairline. First I part my hair here and take this out of the way. Then I start with 2 strands where I want to start and twist them around each other. I go with my index finger under the front one and grab the back one. And again go under the front one and grab the back one, but now you add hair here. And again go under some new hair and grab the back one here. You can see it here. I grab the back one. I change, go under some new hair, grab the back one, and that's where I add the new hair. Go around under, grab the, and that's where the twists start, and you make it really tight so later you can loosen it a little bit, but we want it to stay right at the hairline, so right on the scalp. So you have to pull and hold it tight. Close it with a clip or with a elastic. And now you can see here we have the twist, and now we have to be very careful by loosening it up a little bit. You can leave it like this if you like it, but I want to loosen it a bit. Really carefully so you don't pull the hair out. And that's it. Maybe here a little more. So, and now you can fix it with hairspray and you have a little tiny twist on your head. I hope you liked this video. If you want, you can twist this hair too. I'll show you. Start with 2 strands, go under, grab the back one and change. Go under, grab the back one and change. Go under, grab the back one and change. Under, grab the back and change, and that's what we do until we reach the end. Da, 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 da. And then you can loosen it up if you like. Always work with some volume powder if you have thin, fine or slippery hair. And you can close it all together and you have 2 twisted strands. Okay, and if this happens and you have some strand which don't belong nowhere, you take your topsy tail, put it in, take the strand through the loop and pull it out at the back of your hair, and it's gone. It's a lifesaver. I hope you liked this tutorial and leave me some feedback in the comments. Thank you.